Hello, what's up, guys? So today ndina Auntie Rose, the feminine doctor. Ndodzisa Auntie Rose kubikama noodles. And masai ni cheese. Wow. So, guys, my ingredients are just 3 eggs. This is Parmalat cheese. My chopped tomatoes. This one we're gonna grate it. This one mune robot pepper, yellow, green, yellow, red. Nema onions. So tisa mafuta curry antika. I think we get my mirror piece and bichani. No, I'm gonna hold the camera for you until you
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay. So I went to.
So first, my onions and put my onion.
Okay.
Yes. You put your robot paper. Yeah. Sometimes you can even just put your together, you know, we can mix them out. But in Inango, I love tangama onions.
Okay.
My noodles ready. So auntie, now time your team. Yeah, shabuda so black pepper, salt, paprika. No, yeah, we did. That's not even remember.
I'm putting black pepper.
Yeah, you can add this one spoon. Then moisa more measure black pepper in like shona size that spoon your black pepper.
One spoon, right?
Yeah.
And black pepper.
Yeah.
Then
Salt.
also 1 spoon.
Yeah. Then paprika.
Okay. 1 spoon of paprika, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
And I have to mix them.
Yes, please. Then we put some tomatoes.
Okay.
Yeah. I just some shoma. The two some domas mashoma. Aka chopper.
Chopped tomatoes.
Totally face, okay. I love when I add grated for one.
Okay.
Shatrukubikira Auntie Rose.
I'm just learning, guys. As you can see, Muroora Wenyu, she's teaching me how to cook this recipe.
I hope you will love it.
So that when I go home, when I get married, you know what I mean. I'll cook this recipe every day.
And what that I'm just saying to choose this recipe because no favorite yake.
Exactly. Mufunge mukoma chaiti vakati kwetu songo avangadzokeri kuJoburg vasina kudya this kind of recipe. So guys, let's cook together so that you can see chaburitsa here or chabadrama.
But as beautiful as you are,
I hope so. Guys, now we are beating the eggs. Okay, there are 3 eggs.
only 3 eggs. Ndakambotsura nzimasa breakiro machine 1 like this. Anobreak separately. And what if we put our 5 masai? Ubona rimwe rakaora. Unoita obviously kutongorasa ese.
This is the cheese, the noodles, the grated tomatoes.
Then
we'll just
also add salt, masaya do to taste. Just the salt. Then we're gonna whisk. We use fork. Yeah, they're ready now. So let me hold the camera for you, Auntie. No, not yet there. Okay, now my partner give my some crazy. Yeah,
because the grated
tomatoes.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, chill.
Just put it there.
My ingredients are toiva, so no boys are grated tomatoes at last. Then kana jadai.
No tomato puree.
Exactly, yeah. So now until makuisa nangirikini makuchisa mvura. Mvura yedu anoona tichiboila yatopisa mvura. No measure, please. At first you have to measure.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You have to pour it there.
Then kana madara makuchisa noodles in mind.
Oh.
Yeah. You can even break them if you want. Let me help you. Yeah. Listen. Then more add another wool. I don't feel it mvura yaikwanika. Because we find some mvura at first. Then mozozaji maisa noodles enyu.
Mozozaji.
Yeah, half. Unotozvifila wega so tida mvura yakaita sei. Kana zvadai tobva tamavhara.
Okay. Then we leave it for about how many minutes? About
3 to 5 minutes. Nongochingeta uchicheka. Yeah.
3 minutes.
As it's best to reduce heat stove, but
okay. You reduce your stove, the heat.
Nyatsoiva kwata. No.
Check. Wow. Oh wow.
Let's mix.
Wow.
Kana uchizvita ufarire noodles uzombozvitrya one day.
Yes, try this, guys.
Aivandi. Mumafila. Okay.
You can see the texture.
Yeah. Okay. Then guys, per stage don't forget to reduce heat, guys. Don't forget ndo panowanzotsvira ipapa. Like papa ndakutombisa pa 3. So kana zvadai munyatsoma level zvakanaka, level zvakanaka. Like so zvanga akaita so tichimavhura. Because dogadzira omelet. Yes. Then toeda mazaedu aya tanga tichiwiska manje. Yeah. More to make sure mama sprayed pamusoro. Or kana a spoon, it can help. Let me hold this for you. Munopedza rini dai maita kudira muchidai so then mozotanga nyu kunyatso cover kune kusina kunyatsoti. Yeah. Kana maisa mazade then mochiisa cheese kuti pamusoro. Cheese angu ndowanzoita in triangles, but ndaichinzwa nongo nango cheka zvangoti. Nango spreada everywhere. Anaita shoma ka. Tiwedzere cheese yedu, guys. As you can see, cheese yedu yaita shoma mchana. Tocheka imwe nofana nyatsokava pamusoro pesapo. Munongoziva wani zvinhu zvine cheese. Zvachondenda ndichibatsira tete vangu. Mazvino ndada kujaira kunagirikina Okay, andida kwacho kwazvo zvakazobhaiza manje mubva mavhara anti.
Okay.
So tarijisa heat tibva tavhara. Then tochizvisiya hedu chapota tichizotarisa kuti for ndo recommenda 5.
Okay.
minutes and
5
above.
minutes
Yeah,
also.
zvine zvaititi. Asi ndoda hangu kuti munhu ungogara urichi.
Already
Uchingocheka poto yako.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wow.
So look guys. Timboona pasi kuti zvasei.
Ndikuvhura muchena muchena.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just checking kuti mvura yapera sese. Like it has something like this. Anje. Ne uku kwakumutanga uku. Something like yeah, muchivhura pasi so kuda kuona kuti hadini. How far?
Pachiri paka
Palabo. Pachine mvura. Muona mvura kana kuti? A little bit. Okay, sarge timbosiya
some minutes.
Zvekana 2 minutes. Ngoti tumvura turi pasi tu. Okay, yeah. But guys, muchiona here chiri kubuda. So until Rosey start support our guys.
Okay.
Mapapi tete. Yes, spoon.
Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm going to do this one.
Oh, yeah. So guys, this thing I'm going to use omelet bowl. I don't want to my noodles. No, but I see out to tonore. Don't you want to put a shakanaka by pan? Don't you put it together? Oh, you pizza in that
okay. Ndinda kutoningirira kama nje ndidzidziswa. Chizvakadero nei guys. Oh, yeah, zvasangana manje.
Yes! I thought I taster.
Nditi chikunaka.
Kuku.
Mdzedze yangu ingaramba kuti nayi mukom. Ndabika zvochata.
Okay. Okay. Avo. Tovichiri kupisa. Okay. Yeah. So until Rosey is done cooking.